Good Monday morning. It is the 19th of May, 2025. Gonna be a nice day. We'll have some breezes around, so it won't be totally, free of breeze, but otherwise it's gonna be just a beautiful day with highs up in the low mid 70s. We're gonna see rain chances return tomorrow night, but tomorrow looks good too. Then it's gonna be really chilly and cool with rain for the next, few days after that, and then the weekend into Monday look cool for this time of year, but also really, really nice if you get outside. You won't be hot or anything, so that looks good. So here we are. As I mentioned, just nice weather for the next 24 hours or so, and this is now late Tuesday as we start to see now the showers increase, and then early on Wednesday, rain will break out. It'll be a cool day due to the orientation of the low and the high to the north. But some good chances of precipitation all the way in through Thursday, and then a new low forms, it appears, at least on this model. A new low and more moisture will come in on Friday, which will be nice. Again, we need the rain for our situation with the drought and everything like that. This is so cold here out in the mountains. There could be some snow showers. That's how cold this low is, bringing in an upper level kind of chilly system up above us. And it's so cold in the upper atmosphere that on Saturday, it looks like we clear up, although we could have some showers early. We clear up for a pretty nice day, but if we do get enough heating, we could see a shower or two in the afternoon or evening. Same thing on Sunday, although not as prominent. But I think overall, pretty much clear, just with some puffy clouds in the afternoon. Monday looks beautiful, just, again, not super warm for your pool weather. And then already by Tuesday, we see a return to some more rain, which, again, we need, so this is great news. And then we kind of stay unsettled a little bit next week. We'll have to see if that comes true. So, that's over a week away, so who knows if it's true. But the pattern seems to be repeating where we're really on the border between the kind of cooler early spring air to the warmer air. And it's not even until late that maybe we'll see some warmth, but even now on this forecast it looks below normal. So here, let's look at our temperature anomalies. Again, this just kind of gives you an overall sense of how cool it will be compared to normal. You can see that we're already cooler than normal today, and then it gets a little more pronounced midweek. We should see it really below normal here on Wednesday during the daytime. Temperatures only around 60 to 63 degrees or 64, so that's 15 to 20 degrees below normal for a high. Same thing on Thursday. Not quite as pronounced, but still below normal. And on Friday, as that next batch of rain comes here, 25 below normal. That's pretty chilly this time of year. And the cooler air sticks around into the weekend. Again, cooler air this time of year is, maybe upper 60s, around 70, so not terrible. Same thing, that's pretty cold, though, for this time of year. Not great pool weather. Because nighttime lows can get into the 40s, so that's going to keep that pool plenty cold. Again, we just look like we reinforce the cooler air if we were to go further out into the forecast. As I was mentioning before, it doesn't look like it's going to warm up much. And that's pretty much the trend. Cooler than normal, straight, all the way to the end. Now, maybe it's more normal right at the end, but this is so far off we don't need to worry about it. What are we looking for as far as precipitation goes? This is over the next 7 days. We'll go with the local U.S. here, with the full forecast here. So over the next 7 days, looking for a little over an inch to maybe an inch and a half rain, but most likely less. This rain shifted a little bit north, so it gets me a little concerned we'll get out of the most wet areas, but we'll see. Still, an inch of rain this time of year for a week is pretty good and pretty normal. So, all hopeful for our drought situation. All right, that is your Monday, May 19th, Loudoun County Weather Outlook. Have a good day.